Interested in learning digital marketing? You picked the right choice. Well, these are the best courses on Udemy for those of you who are interested in digital marketing. Now, right here on the left of your screen, you can see you can choose specific durations by hitting on how long you want the course to be, and you can choose a specific topic in digital marketing, or you can go specific enough for digital marketing, generalize everything like so, or you can choose a specific level if you are at a specific journey in your digital marketing journey. Now there's a bunch of options. You can choose to go for paid, or you can choose to go for free. First is the complete digital marketing course, 12 courses in one. This has had over 670,000 students in this very course, and if you click the links in the description, there will be links to all these courses and the timestamps as well. You learn to become an affiliate marketer just like I'm doing in this video. This is called digital marketing. It has over 22.5 hours of on-demand video, 35 articles, 8 downloadable resources, full-time access, and a certificate of completion at the end of it. This has a decent rating, 4.5 stars. Then that means you can definitely get some good value. Read the reviews and see if this is the best course for you to get started. Second is the digital marketing masterclass, 23 marketing courses in one, and this is also available in the links in the description. It has had over 200,000 students with over 35 hours of on-demand video, 19 articles, full-time access, and a certificate of completion at the end. The reason I included this is that it has assignments you can complete, so this makes it easier for you to see your understanding of digital marketing. The next one is the mega digital marketing course, A to Z, 12 courses in one, and this is very good because it is updated, specific on Facebook ads and Instagram ads, which is something that most digital marketing courses don't cover that much. Now, if you're interested in Facebook and Instagram, then this is the course for you. Social media marketing, SEO, WordPress, this is the course for you. Over 100,000 students, 68 hours of on-demand video, 22 articles, 102 downloadable resources, assignments just like the previous one, and a certificate of completion at the end of the course. Next is the digital marketing certification, master digital marketing. Now this one here is one of the cheaper options that I managed to get for you, and you can grab it via the links in the description. Now this has had over 100,000 students who have already discovered the secrets of digital marketing. Now digital marketing is not complicated. This one is a cheaper option. Then the hours are only 3, and full-time access and a certificate of completion at the end of the courses. Now here is what it covers. It covers the basics of blogging, monitoring, Google Ads, Google Analytics, SEO, social media marketing, e-commerce optimization. Now the rating is not that high, but you can read through and see if this is the course for you, what other people have to say. The reviews are very important. They give you an insight of what you should be looking for inside that course you decide to go for. Next is the podcast masterclass, the complete guide to podcasting. Now digital marketing is very wide. People go into podcasting, others go into YouTube, others social media, and so much more. So for those of you who want to start a podcast, you don't want to show your face on the camera like me, then the podcast version is here for you. Very cheap as well. You can grab it via the links in the description, and 100,000 students have taken this. Now 5 hours of on-demand video, 11 articles, full-time access, assignments, and a certificate of completion to get you on your way. Now just like all the other courses I mentioned, this is no exception, with a decent review, and you can see what other people in the recent weeks are saying, so you can read and see if this course is for you. Next, and our second last one, is the digital marketing masterclass. Get your first 1,000 customers. Now for you, if you're interested in selling your own product and you just want to get your 1,000 customers, this is the course for you, to guide you on how to do that using SEO, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Now this is the best one if you are specifically going for a specific social media platform. 26.5 hours of on-demand video, 14 articles, 154 downloadable resources, and access on mobile and TV with a certificate to top it all up. Now next is the ultimate SEO, social media and digital marketing course 2022. It's very specific in a specific angle of digital marketing, that is SEO and social media marketing. That's had over 65,000 students with a decent pricing. You can grab this as well via the links in the description, with 94 hours of on-demand video you can watch, 144 downloadable resources, access on mobile and TV, full-time access, and a certificate to top it off with those assignments in your pocket as well. You can take a look at the preview and see what is covered in each of these courses. This can really help you get started. Now, the reason I saved this one in this list is because of the chatbot marketing. This is an angle most affiliates and people like us, we don't look at. So chatbots are really getting popular. You should have one, and Twitter as well. So you can go ahead and take this course if you're interested. It covers a lot of information for those of you who are interested in social media and SEO. Decent rating. You can take a look at what the other students are saying. You will definitely like the course. That said, check out the video on the screen if you're interested in the best digital marketing courses for Java development or any other skill you want to learn. There's a playlist in the description. You can subscribe and I will have another video for you.